Hello and welcome to another folding tutorial brought to you by Pop-Upology. In this video I'll be showing you how to fold the LOVE design from my range of Origamic architecture pop-up cards that are available online. Once you have cut your downloaded piece either by hand or by plotter, as in this case, you are ready to start the folding process, which as always we do just in gradual gentle phases, starting with the baseline fold, which is our crease here, as I'm indicating with my thumbs. Just need to be pressing down on this spine of our design gently, bringing the top plane forward, but just very gently, whilst supporting this quite large long mountain fold section here with a finger from behind. And if you just do that, you'll see that L shape coming forwards towards you in space already. And gradually we move from the center of our design towards the edges, that is to say the O and the heart shape, as well as the E. So first of all, just need to focus in on the top of these delicate areas which define our shapes in their volumes. And again, all you need to do is just literally go along what is essentially our mountain fold line section, all those perforations, and just push underneath that whilst holding on to the back of the card. And you can actually focus in on that point by pinching from above as well, and just literally pushing down ever so slightly. What's the only thing to bear in mind is to go very gently and in incremental stages, and you can focus in on these areas as shown here in isolation as well, and you will see an ever increasing deployment of the folds in relief. You need to essentially do this across your entire design, so don't overfold any section prematurely in isolation. So we need to catch up with our E shape in the foreground here, and again, as you can see, I'm just essentially bringing it forward by pushing from behind with some digits, whilst at the same time holding on to the base and the back of the card. But you can kind of see already our shapes emerging, and once you get to about a shallow degree of fold across the sheet, as you can see all over here, you are ready to start collapsing your shapes, which is essentially just, again, almost a combination of gentle pinching in isolation, but also holding on to the base structures behind it, just giving it support where it needs to have it. And again, you can just pinch your shapes forward. You can develop your own methods. By all means, everybody has their own way of folding. I'm left-handed, so obviously this is going to be something to bear in mind when you see this video. And once you get to about a kind of over 90-degree fold, you're ready to start fully closing your card. And this we do just literally by an extension of our pinch from the baseline all the way to the top, and then just gently tapping down all the shapes once it's closed flat. And then voila, we have our fully opening kinetic pop-up design ready to decorate, or in the cases that I like to highlight, you can use a transparency backing sheet, which gives it an added element of punch when it comes to light and shadow effects and plays. As you can see here, it's really worth kind of getting a very nice color transparency to give you this overall wow factor. And I'll show you, if you can use a different color, then you get a dramatically different effect. But as you can see, seeing as it is a a kind of Valentine's Day card. In this case, red or pink would be very appropriate, as you can see here. So do experiment with different backing sheets to cover the void left behind by your shapes, and feel free to post your results on any of my online forums, Facebook or Instagram, and do share your experimentations. I hope you have fun with this project, and happy Valentine's Day. Many thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye bye.